In this class, we are going to discuss about Chapter 5, Introduction to Euclid's Geometry. So, today I am taking axioms. In our syllabus, we are having 7 axioms. We will discuss one by one. First, we should know the meaning of axioms. So, axioms or postulates are the assumptions. Axioms are what? We'll discuss later postulates, but in this class I am taking what? Axioms. So axioms or postulates are assumptions which are universal truth. Axioms are what? Universal truth statements. They are not proved. They are proved sentence. No one is proved. Axioms are proved statement. We cannot prove these statement. So axioms is what? Axioms are assumptions which are universal truth. Observe, first axioms of Euclid is what? Euclid is the scientist. Euclid is what? Name of the scientist. Given these assumptions. So first one is what? Things which are equal to what? Things which are equal to same thing are equal to one another. Things which are equal. Things which are equal. Things which are equal to same thing. Things which are equal to same things are equal to one another. Observe carefully. A equal to B. Two things I am taking. A equal to B and B equal to another thing. B equal to C. Observe, A equal to B. Two things A and B are equal. And B1 is equal to third one, C. A equal to B, B equal to C, then we can say A equal to C. This one is what? This axioms. Things which are equal. Things which are equal. A equal to B and B equal to C. Things which are equal to same thing. Same thing. A equal to B and B equal to C. B is equal to C and B equal to A. So equal things. Things which are equal to same thing are equal to one another. If A equal to B and B equal to C, so we can say A equal to C. This is the meaning of first axiom. Are you getting now? Things which are equal to same things. Two things we are having, A equal to B and B is equal to third thing. Then we can say first thing equal to third one. Clear? Now second thing, axiom is what? If equals are added to equal, the wholes are equal. Equals are added to equal. Equals are equals 6 equal two things. 6 equal to 6. Equals are added to equal. Equals are added to equal. These two are equals. Now equals we are adding. I am adding 2. I am adding 2. So whole, the whole are equal. Whatever result we are getting will be what? Equal. 8 we are getting. Yes or no? If equals are added to equal, equals are added plus 2 we are adding to equals, then result is what? Equal. This is the axiom number second. Now third one, if equals are subtracted from the equal, same process. If equals are two numbers I am taking, these are equals. I am subtracting equal from these two numbers. I am subtracting 2 from this one. I am subtracting 2 from this one. Then result is what? 4, 4. So what is the meaning? If equals are subtracted from the equals, if equals are subtracted, we are subtracting 2, these are equals from the equal numbers, then we are getting equal result. Clear? Now fourth one, things which are coincide with one another are equal to one another. Observe, simple. I am taking one line. This is the 5 centimeter. A to B is 5 centimeter. Another line we are having PQ. This is also 5 centimeter. Two lines we are having, AB equal to 5 centimeter and PQ equal to what? 5 centimeter. Once they both lines are coincide means both will be overlap. Once we take this line and put on AB, then they are overlapping, and this overlap is called what? Coincide. So things which are coincide with one another are equal to one another. Two lines we are having, AB is 5 centimeter, PQ are 5 centimeter. Once both lines are coincide, then we can say both are equal. This is the meaning. Now next one, the whole is greater than the part. The whole is the greater than the part. How? I am taking this one. This is the AB one line, and it is 10 centimeter. What? 10 centimeter. I am taking 1 centimeter from this one. I am taking 1 centimeter from this one. What? AB is the 10 centimeter. I am taking 1 centimeter from this one. This part is always smaller than this one. What? The whole is greater than the part. Whole is whatever part we are getting will be smaller than this one. Yes or no? This is the 10 centimeter. Its part is always what? Its part, I am taking 1 centimeter, its part, it is always smaller than this one. This AB is always more than this one. This whole is always greater than this one. Yes or no? This is the meaning. Now next one. Things which are doubles of the same things are equal to one another. Things which are doubles. Assume A equal to 2B. A equal to 2B. And C equal to 2B. Things which are doubles of same thing. Things which are doubles of the same things. We are having B, same things, and same things double. Double of this one, we are getting A and C. So things which are doubles of the same thing are equal to the one another. So from this one, this A equal to C, we can say A equal to C. How? Observe again. If things which are equals doubles of things which are doubles of the same thing, we are having anything, and double of that thing, two things we are having, both things are equal, double of these things will be equal. We are having one thing B, two things we are having, and but both things are equal, and double of both will be what? Equal. Now last one, things which are halves of the same thing. Halves means half. Things which are halves of the same things are equal to one another. Same process. Once we do, two things we are having, B, I am not denoting as B, two things. Half of these things, one thing and another thing, two things, both are same, half of both, it means what? Its half we are getting A, its half we are getting C. It means half of this thing will be equal, this equal to this one. So we can say A equal to C. Clear? Observe again, these are simple, not more difficult. Axioms, Euclid's axioms, we are having 7 axioms, and they are what? Assumptions which are universal truth and not proved. Clear? Universal truth statements. So, things which are equal, first axiom is what? Things which are equal to the same things are equal to one another. Things which are equal. Things which are equal, A equal to B and B equal to C, then we can say this A will be equal to C. It is the meaning of the first one. If two equals are added to equals, we are adding plus 2 in equal number, then result will be what? Equal. Third one, if equals are subtracted from equal one, results will be what? Equal. Now next one, two things which are coincide with one another. AB is 5 cm, another PQ is 5 cm. Once this one is overlap this one, then we can say both are what? Coincide. Clear? And when they will be coincide? Once they both are equal in size. Next one, the whole is greater than the part. One line we are having 10 centimeter, its one part 1 centimeter. It means whole is, this is a part, its whole is always greater. Clear? Now next one, things which are doubles or halves. In the sixth one, we are doing doubles of the things. We are having two things, both are same, and double of these two things, doubles of these two things will be what? Equal. And two things we are having, and half of these things will be what? Equal. So these are 7 axioms given by Euclids. All are simple universal truth statements. So we can easily to understand these all. I hope you understand these all axioms. That's all about this class. Thank you so much.